Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Shonabek, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back, guys. Don't mind my hair. DIY challenge. The video coming up soon. So, guys, today is my evening routine with my small YouTuber. Look at her. She came to say hello to you all. Mimi, say hello. Say hi. Wow, this is what I experienced. Drawing of my hair. Hair would I want to grow. Say hello. Nope. So guys, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you put the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. I'm washing clothes, guys, so in case the noise. This is my evening routine, no? My evening routine, no. What I do in the evening with this my baby. This is my baby girl. This is my sweetie pie. And she has gone to this place to go and scatter. Give me. Don't cry. So my channel is all about DIY, motherhood, vlogs. Alright guys, so let's get this video started. Miush. Oh yeah. Get for holiday. Don't mind you. You get for holiday. I'm watching. What are we watching? Nickelodeon or whatever it's called. Okay. This is my baby girl. She won't let mama do anything. Ooh. So guys, I want to bake cinnamon roll. Hobby has been craving that, and he said I should do that for him. So my nephew is here, so I was like, okay, let me just do cinnamon roll because I've done it like 3 times. No, this will be the 3rd time I'm doing it. So he was like, babe, do cinnamon roll. I said, okay, let me do it. So I will bring you guys along with me to see how I'm doing my cinnamon roll. So these are my helpers in the house. They're going to help us to do the cinnamon roll. See? Go. Don't show them your teeth. Show them your teeth now. Oh. She has 6 teeth. 6. She's not ready.
So guys, I told my nephew to bring the flour. We need some flour, that is butter, sugar, and we're using yeast. And my nephew was bringing the mixer, but he thought we were going to use mixer, so I told him no, we're not going to use it. So that is the bowl, white bowl I'm going to use to do this. Then I was trying to show you guys what the time is.
Okay, so I'm starting my day early so that I can, finish on time and, just relax. Hopefully I relax because this my baby here, she likes, or should I say she loves to sleep late, like late. So, yeah. Anyway, let's get this video, this cooking started. This cooking. What's cooking? This cook. I'm cooking. What's cooking? I think bring that. Don't worry, I'll just use the front camera. See what my daughter is doing. She will leave her chair, and be climbing. Where are you climbing to me?
So guys, we're starting up with 2 to 3 cups of flour. Okay, so I'll measure it like 2 to 3 cups of flour. That's what we need for this cinnamon recipe according to Natasha Kitchen. So I think I added the 3rd cup of flour off camera. Yes, and I had to back my baby because she was she wanted me to carry her, so I had to back her so I can use my both hands to do this because it requires both hands. This is an easy way for you to just keep your baby close to you and be able to do what you want to do, make them to sleep in the process. So here I decided to Google her out and show you guys her YouTube channel, and yeah.
So I have seen the video. There's the video playing. Yeah, Natasha Kitchen. And this cinnamon roll is the best of the best. The best of the best, guys. It's so juicy, it's so fluffy. Okay, so she said we need 1 milk. We need milk. Milk.
So guys, I decided to turn the flour in another bowl because she started off with yeast and milk. So I'm activating my yeast because she had her yeast is already activated. I'm going to activate my yeast here. I'm making food for my daughter because she was crying and I needed to give her food. So guys, I decided to give her food because she was cranky and I'm doing a camo for her. And my nephew too was trying to make her to be quiet. So I was also watching someone's live stream. And yeah, I decided to do her well, and my husband came back and I started feeding her. Like her food was ready, I started giving her food and gisting with hubby. We're just gisting, like quality family time. We're just talking about work, his work, how my day went, and he was speaking to his daughter in his language. And yeah.
So guys, so we've not still done the cinnamon roll yet. These are my evenings used to be. Our oh wow, it has turned to like this, so I'm still going to use it like this. Hopefully it's still good. Yeah, it's still good, right? I just fell up, so I'm just going to use it like that. So I'll pour it first, and I still have my wing crying baby at my back.
So guys, I first of all poured the yeast in the bowl, then I added egg. I'm doing this according to her recipe. Then milk, 1 milk, then butter, and I added some sugar and salt. Then I'll mix all this together. Then I'll add the flour gradually as I mix along. Then after I mix this, I will also use my hand to knead it also, to not be too strong, not be too soft, but it's in a okay consistency that you will set it aside for it to rise. Okay, it has to rise more again. So I added all the ingredients she did. I just followed all her whole process together as she was doing it. That same thing I was doing. So I was just mixing the flour together, just mix it very well, and I will set this aside for it to rise. After it has risen, then we'll do the filling, the cinnamon filling, which is cinnamon and sugar. So here I'm using my hand to knead the dough, so it should not stick on your bowl. It should feel a bit sticky, but when you use your dry fingers, your hand, it will not be sticking your dry fingers. I don't know if that makes sense. I will also put this particular video of this cinnamon roll in case you want to do it. I'm going to put the link down in the description box so you guys too can check her out. Okay, so I'm just going to be kneading this for like 10 seconds or 5 to 10 seconds, sorry, 5 to 10 seconds. Then I am going to flame it, like use clean flame to flame it, then set it aside for it to rise more. You can put this in a room temperature for like, according to actually 45 minutes, or in the oven for like 30 to 20 minutes. So I put mine in the oven, and I decided to clean up my mess, like clean up everything the whole stuff I did, just clean it up, so to make me it more easier for me to transit to the next step. And my brother was around and he was playing with my daughter, so that, and my husband came back again because he went out and came back again, and I was just sweeping, cleaning, arranging, washing plates here, and because we are waiting for the cinnamon dough to rise, so we are watching football. And when I put timer, and when the timer was up, I decided to come and make the filling, which is just sugar and cinnamon. I used half cup of sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I mixed all those together, and here I am rolling my dough. Like, it has to be in this rectangular shape. Yes, then I added butter on top of the dough. Then I sprinkle my cinnamon and sugar. I sprinkle it on top. Then I will roll the dough. This is like that, and I'll cut it into all these shapes like you're saying it, and I'll put butter in my pan and put it there. Then use cling film, cover it, and allow it to rise again. And this is how it looks when it has risen. And down here I'm adding some butter again. Yeah, I know this is too much butter, but this made the cinnamon so soft and so juicy. And I've put it in the oven for like 30 minutes. So time for Auntie Mia to get clean and get ready for bed. So this is me trying to remove her dress. I did not bath her, guys, because the weather was so cold, and I don't want my baby to get cold. So I just use powder and rub her on her body for her to smell nice and good for bed. And it was a struggle because she doesn't like someone to wear her pampers. Like, you have to struggle with her wearing her pampers. So we finally done in wearing the pampers and wearing the clothes. And yeah, guys, I just finished. I didn't bath her because it's cold. It has been raining since today, like crazy rain. So I just cleaned her body, just changed her clothes and rub her powder, and that's it. She will sleep like that because I don't want my baby to catch cold. So we'll wait for the cinnamon roll to get ready, and we'll munch on it. And yeah, so guys, she was hungry again, so I had to give her some chicken and mashed rice with the avocado. Here our cinnamon is ready. I'm taking my tea, and I breastfed her, and she has gone to bed. I am done. Everybody has not everybody has slept. My brother and my nephew, they are still awake. My hubby and daughter has slept, so me, I'll just edit my videos, the vlogs that I have, the hair videos that I have. I just do some editing, and I'll go to bed. The cinnamon, they've already almost finished it. So guys, if you watch to the end, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like, comment, and share. So guys, I want to ask a question. Would you guys love to see each week like something different? Like this week I post a hair video, next week I post a vlog? Let me know in the comment section, so I don't know how I'll just how I'll arrange my channel. Yeah, so just let me know in the comment section. I was thinking maybe this week I post a hair video and next week I post a vlog. I'll be doing it like that, or I'll drop video twice in a week, like vlog and hair video twice in a week. Just let me know in the comment section. All right, thank you so much. I appreciate all your love and everything you guys have done for me. I really appreciate. I love you guys so much. Good night.